So today we will talk about countries which allow cryptocurrency as legal tender. That means which country accept cryptocurrencies at local level or for the transactions. So uh, countries with crypto as a legal tender, it only has one region, which is American continent, El Salvador. It was legal on 6/9 of 2021. So, which are the predicted next country regions that are Paraguay, continent of America, and then Venezuela, and including uh, Anguilla, then United States. These numbers are uh, preferred by voting. People have voted their regions, so where it is predicted that they will allow cryptocurrency as a legal tender after some time. So at the number 5 there is Panama, at number 6 it is India, and 7 it's Brazil. That I'm talking about all the regions which will uh, it is a prediction that they will allow the cryptocurrencies in upcoming their up in upcoming time. So at number 8 it's Zimbabwe, and number 9 it's Ukraine, number 10 Ecuador, number 11 Central African Republic, and number 12 Mexico, number 13 Argentina, number 14 Turkey, number 15 Indonesia, number 16 Iran, number 17 is China, then Nigeria, number 19 Russia. So we don't know about the mostly Russian region right now because of their war with the Ukraine. So we don't can't agree on it that they will allow, or what's their prediction for the cryptocurrency because of the war. So you will see what will happen with the Russia, or what will or its economy will allow to as a legal tender of cryptocurrency. So what's happened, nobody knows. So at 20 it's Japan, number 21 Bangladesh, 22 Canada, 23 Vietnam, 24 it's Pakistan. So about the Pakistan, we don't know that because there it has been, when there was a peak of cryptocurrency in Pakistan, cryptocurrency was banned 2 times in the Pakistan. So a person called Waqar Zaka, nation holding nationality of Pakistan, cased file against them who uh, illegal the cryptocurrency in Pakistan. So it's now legal in Pakistan right now. We can trade any currency or rupee into cryptocurrencies here in Pakistan, but don't know what will happen next. But it's not authorized by the government right now. So what will be the future, or what will be it will be a legal tender for exchange in money or not. So number 25 is Singapore, 26 Germany, 27 United Arab Emirates UAE, number 28 Cuba, 29 United Kingdom, 30 Philippines, 31 Switzerland, 32 Uruguay, 33 Australia, 34 South Korea, 35 Spain, 36 Colombia. So I will clear one thing here. These all countries are based on the votings. The people which are using cryptocurrency or proper wallet for their cryptocurrency storage, they have voted here, voted for the country to be for the cryptocurrency to be legalized, legal tender for their country, so they can trade or sell or buy cryptocurrency at any, for any cost or any other item or product. So there, if they are it is, if it's possibility to if it becomes legal tender, so they can buy anything or any product or any legal product with the cryptocurrency if it becomes a legal tender for their country. So at 37 Malta, 38 Thailand, 39 Honduras, 40 Portugal, 41 France, 42 Costa Rica, 43 Morocco, 44 Italy, 45 Israel, 46 Tanzania, 47 Malaysia, 48 South Africa, 49 Poland, and 50 it's Afghanistan. So it's about the Afghanistan here. So we already don't know, but it's only contain approximate 2000 votes here, so we don't know what will happen with the Afghanistan, if it will legalize the cryptocurrency or not, because of the Taliban government there. So we don't know the future about the cryptocurrency in Afghanistan right now, but it can be after some time that cryptocurrency become it's a legal tender, but who knows the time. So it was only 50 countries, and there are also more countries.